So I grew up in San Diego, born in New York, but moved over when I was really young. And I ended up going to school at UCSD because my parents wanted me to stay close to home. Um, they wanted me to be a doctor, so that's what I thought I wanted to do when I was growing up. And so like my entire high school life was focused on like biology and like all of those sciences, though I actually took a few AP computer science classes because it was something that always like interested me personally. So when I went to college, I actually started out as an electrical engineering major and then swapped over to physiology and neuroscience because I was still thinking of going down the pre-med route. And after I graduated, I realized that that wasn't something that I wanted to do. So that's kind of when I started looking for other options and thinking about like, do I want to pivot? Like, where do I want my career to go from here?
Cool. So, what were you thinking about then? And then, so what did you do in the years following college?
Yeah, so pretty soon after leaving college, I moved up to San Francisco. That was about 5 years ago now, and I was just tutoring because I had, a pretty strong foundation in a lot of different sciences from all the things I'd been doing. And I didn't really want to go, I decided I didn't want to be a pre-med, and I also didn't really want to like do research, do any kind of lab work. That wasn't really something that appealed to me. So I tutored for about 3 years, I think it was. Yeah, about 3, 4 years. And then I heard about App Academy, and I heard about boot camps in general. And it was like, I took CS classes in high school. I was an electrical engineering major for a little bit in college when I started. Maybe this is something that I can, keep pursuing to see if it's something that I actually want to do. I also knew that living in San Francisco, if I wanted to stay here, I probably needed a career, instead of just freelance tutoring was like fine. It was, I think, a good first job, like a good first post-college job, because it gave me a lot of freedom to like explore the things I wanted to do. I got to delve like really deeply into a few hobbies, but it wasn't going to be sustainable long term. So that's when I went back to like, hey, I was interested in this thing once. Let's see if I'm still interested in it. Let's see if I can do it.